So this is the Wishbone Slingshot and the Widowmakers, both from Deadeye Club. They actually go together, and you're gonna find out why here in a second. Let's open this. Let's open up this Slingshot here. This is really exciting. The first thing I'm noticing is look at how thin this is. This is crazy. There's supposed to be a slingshot in here. Wow, look at that. They've got ammo available on the website. Ooh, that is thin. That is nice. So yeah, you can check that out. That's some serious business right there. Got to be careful. I mean, with end of the world stuff going on, you know, of course, the slingshot's a fantastic tool to have. You know, you can pick up rocks, and you know, you don't really run out of ammo. But of course, these can be very dangerous. So of course, this goes without saying, like, be really careful. But this is the cool thing that I really like about this is it's really lightweight. You can take this with you, keep it in your pocket. It's not like a big old wooden slingshot that you're used to. So huge fan of this. Very, very cool. Very cool. Let's see if this says anything else. Yeah, look at that. That is so cool. At our Deadeye Club. Okay, now these are really interesting because these actually go together in a very cool way. So these are Widowmaker playing cards. I've got my knife here and open this up. So what is a Widowmaker? Oh, wow, I'm awesome. Look at that. There's a way to open that in a much easier way, but that's okay. More fun for you. So these are actually playing cards made out of PVC. So these are thick plastic PVC playing cards. So they can get wet, they can, you know, all that stuff. But the part that's like really nasty is you could also use them in the slingshot. I'm probably more likely to hit myself than I am to actually like send this anywhere, but you can, if you know, practice, develop the skill, you definitely can. I've seen it like cut bananas and stuff like that. But yeah, we've got a full deck here with super cool art on these playing cards. Look at these. So Deadeye Club playing cards. This is great. They're perfect for parties and stuff like that if you're worried about your cards getting wet or anything spilling on them. And of course, fantastic ammo for this guy. So yeah, definitely go check these guys out, and really excited to play some games, play some card games at home, and give this guy a try.